So guys, for the first method, we're going to head over to the Play Store. Now once you're on the Play Store, we're going to search for Remini. We're going to search for this. Now we're going to click on Remini. Now once you're on Remini, make sure that you do not have any updates that need to be installed. If there is an update that you need to install, it's going to tell you, then you want to install the update. See if that works for you. If there was no update that needed to be installed, then for the second method, we're going to find a Remini application, we're going to hold it, then we're going to click on App Info, and then once this comes up, we're going to scroll down and then click on Storage. And then once you're on this, if you look on the bottom, it's going to be saying Clear Data and Clear Cache. You're going to try both of those options. So just try both of them and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you want to find the Remini application, you want to hold it, and then click on Uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. Now once that's been uninstalled, we're going to go back to the Play Store, and you want to search for Remini again. Then you just want to install it again. This should now fix your problem.